Hey, hello kids, I am here. And you are watching the kids screen. Let's improve your vocabulary words. Today we are going to learn, how can we speak English with our children in our daily routine life? Wake up early in the morning. Wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Do some exercise. Do some exercise. Please dress up quickly. Please dress up quickly. Your school van is here. Your school van is here. Please take off your clothes. Please take off your clothes. Do your homework. Do your homework. Go outside and play. Go outside and play. Please do not run fast. Please do not run fast. Please do not fight with anyone. Please do not fight with anyone.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel The Kids Screen.